Hi, I'm Matt. I'm Jim, and we're going to be doing a titration.
For this titration, you're going to need 0.5 grams of bleach, 20 milliliters of distilled H2O, 1 milliliter of 0.5 molar potassium iodide, 1.5 milliliters of 3 molar phosphoric acid, 3 drops of ammonium molybdate, and a burette full of sodium thiosulfate. Alright, to your 0.5 grams of bleach, you're going to add your 20 milliliters of distilled H2O. You're going to add your potassium iodide. Going to add your phosphoric acid. And 3 drops of ammonium molybdate. We have a burette full of 0.02 molar thiosulfate that we're going to titrate into our solution, and once it turns a pale yellow color, we're going to add our starch indicator. Our burette is at 0 right now, so Matt is going to start our titration. You can go fast at the beginning. Notice the color change, and Matt's about to add our starch indicator. 5 drops.
Like after, okay, going.
We're going to start off fast until we notice the color change, then we're going to slow it down to get as precise as we can. We know the titration's been complete when the solution is clear. Still notice the dark color of the liquid right now. Alright, starting to notice a little bit of color change. Slow it down just a little bit. Alright, notice our liquid is clear. There's some dark precipitate down there, but the liquid itself is completely clear. And so now we're going to find out how much thiosulfate we used and do some calculations.
Alright, so these are our calculations. We have our original molar concentration of our sodium thiosulfate. We're going to multiply that by the literage we've used, the final literage we used in our burette, and divide that by the molar ratio to I. So we end up getting 3.86 times 10 to the negative 4 moles ClO. So the next piece of this equation is we're going to take our moles that we just found of NaClO and multiply it by the molar weight of NaClO, which gives us 0.0288 grams NaClO. Okay, so for the final step, we're going to take the grams we just found of NaClO and divide it by the original amount of grams of bleach we used in our solution, which was 0.51 grams, and then multiply that number by 100 to get our percentage. So our final percentage ends up being 5.65 NaClO to bleach.
And that's how you do a titration.